subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo sub-brand iQoo has launched its new affordable phone in China called iQoo U1. Talking about the specifications, the iQoo U1 features a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 90.72% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset paired with Adreno 618 GPU. In terms of storage, the phone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the camera, the iQoo U1 supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a squarish module that includes 48MP main camera with f1.78 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.05 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with iQoo UI skin on top, and it comes backed by 4500 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the device also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with multi-turbo 3.0 technology for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.05 by 76.61 by 8.46 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The iQoo U1 has been priced in China for 6GB plus 64GB storage variant at 1198 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 1398 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1598 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Mysterious Black, Sunny Frost White and Star Blue color options, and it will go on sale starting from July 23rd. So, what do you guys think of this iQoo U1 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.